I am Arthur for the love of cars. I'm passionate about cars, and I want to make sure that you, your brother, your sister, your friend, a family member, a relative, distant cousin, you don't make mistakes when you buy cars. This channel is filled with a lot of information to help you know what you need to know before you buy your next car. However, if you don't want to go through all this information, I provide a service called pre-purchase inspection. And we come and make sure that you get a good deal when you're buying a car. We come and make sure that we inspect the car to make sure it's in tip-top condition, but we also make sure that you buy at the right price. Nti nebo ogule moroko olwaliro bweyagala gitunda next week tekusala atoyinza n'okufuna amagoba. I also sell tracking devices. I also sell car alarm system. The tracking devices za mitwalo 35 kwa 45, car alarm system ya mitwalo 25, pre-purchase inspection service ya mitwalo aga go car and you save. Trust me, when you use Arthur to inspect the car you're going to buy, chances are high you will save some millions of shillings.